Oh, yeah, yeah, of course.
Yeah, I have some one question, Mataji. I'm
Mhm.
like, I'm bringing the charger, Mataji. My laptop is going to die. Okay, when you say, Mataji, that Krishna, his love will give us some relief from our miseries or distress. So last night I heard some like very news, Mataji, for devotee. She's like a very devotee, and she got some kind of cancer, and her tongue is removed
Okay.
out of cancer. I was like disturbed, very much deeply disturbed. So if we think, if you are completely immersed in this devotion, and someday we have to face these kind of situations, at that time, how to gather and get faith on Krishna that he will stand with us. So at this hearing this news, I was completely disturbed.
Hmm.
So how to withstand this kind of situations, Mataji?
So, Mataji, uh, how it is through practice.
Mm.
Practice, and see, we all start with a little faith, right? We start with a little faith. Without Krishna consciousness, so even the smallest of the difficulties, they appear to be very magnified. With Krishna consciousness, even the greatest of reversals in life can be easily handled. How? Why? Because Krishna, he's the Krishna takes care, Mataji. He just covers you, Mataji, so much that he will take care of you. We don't know how it is happening, but it will happen. He'll just cover us with his embrace, invisible embrace, and he will take care of us. But what is required from our side? Faith and surrender. Surrender is a very easy word, you can say surrender, but to actually practice surrender is very hard, very, very hard.
Mm.
Um, how do you practice surrender? You practice surrender by, when you're hearing, you should absorb. You should really absorb. If you're good at chanting, try your best to absorb when you're chanting. If So each one has their own strengths. Of course, chanting is the basis of our movement. Chanting is the basis of Krishna consciousness. Harinam is everything. When you're chanting, if you can, try to immerse, or at least when you're hearing, try to immerse. The more immersion you have through Srila Prabhupada's books, through the Bhagavatam, through the Bhagavad Gita, the more immersion you have, the more surrender slowly starts developing. Mm. See, Srila Prabhupada's books, they are the medicine for this age of Kali. What does Prabhupada's book start with? Prabhupada's book start with, you're not the body, but you are soul. That is the very first lesson, right? That is the very first lesson of Bhagavad Gita or any spiritual science. You're not the body. We hear this again and again, but have we really realized it? I have not realized it. But we're trying to realize this fact. We're trying hard to realize this fact. The more you read, for me, reading Shravanam has been my way to Krishna. So I always talk about Shravanam or about reading Srila Prabhupada's books. They are very potent, very, very potent. We should not just read, like Garangi Mataji was asking, like about faith, right? Is it a fleeting faith or is it faith with absorption? So she was also touching on the same point. So when we read or when we hear Krishna Katha also, it should not be that we're just hearing, we should listen, we should pull it and we should grasp it into our heart. So if we can do this with practice, with practice, our faith intensifies in Krishna and Krishna's protection. Krishna need not protect our body, Mataji, but he protects our devotional service. Only devotional service is something that is eternal. So if when Krishna says that my devotee never perishes, he doesn't mean that your body doesn't perish or your difficulties doesn't perish. I mean, difficulties, will perish. Difficulties related to the body is going to be there for everybody. Nobody is exempt from all this. All this will be there with respect to body, with respect to our relatives, whatever. All our difficulties are going to be there. Just because you're a devotee, it doesn't mean that, suddenly everything is put into a vanish and stop. No, the way you respond to it differs. The way you respond to it changes completely once you take up to the process of Krishna consciousness. Because Krishna becomes, and he takes control. It's no more in our hands. He takes control and he covers you so beautifully, Mataji. So how to have faith in Krishna during reversals, right? That is your question. If we have not developed our initial faith and if we have not absorbed in Shravanam Kirtanam, then it becomes very hard to develop faith in Krishna during reversals. So before the reversals come itself, one should try to take up Krishna consciousness in a serious fashion. Some people take up Krishna consciousness at the time of reversals. That is also very beautiful. Like Gajendra, we say Arto Artarti Jignasu Jnani, right? 4 kinds of people to come to Krishna consciousness. If a person is coming to Krishna consciousness at the time of difficulty, that is fantastic. But for a person like many of us, we might have to take up Krishna consciousness earlier than we have a reversal. So if we take up Krishna consciousness early in life, and if we are able to practice at the time of difficulty, we will be steady because Krishna will take care of us. So these are a few thoughts on this, Mataji. It's more on, like when we ask a question, how do we have that faith during reversal? How can we surrender during reversal? It has to come with practice. It's something that is very practical, right? It has to come with practice. The only answer is just continue to have that faith. Krishna is everything, and continue to practice. Never leave our practice, because Krishna ultimately is our maintainer and our well-wisher. So he will take care, Mataji. That's all. If she is not yet, if the person who's undergoing this difficulty has not yet taken up to Krishna consciousness, at the time of difficulty, if she's able to take up to Krishna consciousness, then that itself will give the medicine for her problem. That itself will give the medicine, Mataji, like Gajendra.
Yeah. Yes, Mataji. What you said is like, yes, that is true. Like we have to, with daily practice, we can get some kind of faith, little faith. Step by step, we can progress. That is true. But when I see some devotees are having this kind of really, like when we hear also, I will be threatened, like, oh, my goodness, how they are able to suffer, or how they are able to go to this pain. So at that time I feel, oh Krishna, like that.
Yeah, it's a very good quality to feel the pain of others. That is Vaishnava's quality, right? Paradukha Dukhi. That is true. We should feel that compassion for others, and we should feel their pain as ours. That is all important. At the same time, Krishna takes care of the devotee. Be confident about it also. He takes care in his way, not in our way. We expect him to take care of us in a particular way, but he takes care of us in a very different way, and which works out well for everyone. He knows what is best, so he will take care, Mataji. A person who's undergoing it, a devotee who's undergoing turmoil, will know how Krishna is taking care of him or her in every situation.
Yeah. Yes, Mataji. Okay.